I tell you, updates from the 2020 and 2025 update, we do not do that anymore. How will you assess for the breathing? Just have to visually assess for the chest, rise, and fall. Igo ra ka mo tanaw. Okay? Tanaw ni mo chest, o may ginawa ba? O wala, check ka sa number 2. Alright? Karon, if the patient is breathing like this, kasi tawagan na sa Bisaya ini, nagtinga. Very good, no? O sa medical term, gasping, no? Cosmos breathing. If you see a person na ana o gininawaan, when you attach that person to the cardiac monitor and the spot check, baba ang oxygen anak. You consider that as not breathing at all. Reflex na lang na siya. So check niya po ka sa number 2. No? Makita ka, panagsa na lang ginawa ba? Or bakit isda ka ganyan na lumos? No? Kita na isda ka na lumos. Naday ka na sa ito. Okay? Sabitan, kung nagtinga ang pasyente, check ka number 2. Okay? Another criteria when to start CPR, number 3 is to? Yes, if there is no definitive pulse. We have a lot of pulses sa ato ang lawas. No? So, from head to toe, there are a lot of pulses. But when it comes to basic life support or saving lives, duha lang yun akong kinahanglan nga pulse. Unsa to? Yes, kanilang brachial and kanilang carotid. Where to find your brachial pulse? Okay, hindi ka nag-isip yung king. No? Anticubital area, no? Let me show you your hands, arms, inner portion sa imuhang arms. Dire. Okay? Try to locate your brachial pulse. Pakita daw, kung naa ba o wala. Wala. Kasi wala kang kita. Kasi wala naka-feel. Sunod ka sa piya. Right? And when you check for pulse, you use your 2 fingers. Okay? Ayaw gamitan yung thumb because your thumb has its own pulse. No? Nakadiri. Ay, may pulso, sir. Imuha dito pulso yung na-feel. No? So you use your 2 fingers. Another pulse point na ato ang timanan is your carotid pulse. Where to locate your carotid pulse? Okay? Okay? To properly correct, to locate your proper carotid pulse, find your Adam's apple. Adam's apple, slide down sa kanal between sa Adam's apple o sa imuhang jugular vein. Slide down. Now, press kung naa ba. Wala. Okay, kasi wala. So, kung nagsibiyaw, okay, it's very important for you to locate your own pulse so that you could appreciate the other patient's pulse. Okay? So, kung kaniya mo pasyente, diri ang ulo, when you locate for the pulse, you find that Adam's apple or yan throat, galing buko sa tunga, slide down sa kanal-kanal. Press forward. Lang. Ha? Later on, daghan kay mga may tabo sa pag-check sa pulse, no? May nag-anak dali, nag-anak dito sa likod, layo kayo. So, para uniform tatanan, kung unsay dool, sa ulo, mo mga kamot gamiton. Do not cross. Okay? Doon sa ulo, Adam's apple, slide down. Lang. Masabtan, kibasan niya mo. Okay? Improper body mechanics na. Reach out sa layo. No? Sa Adam's apple, slide down. Kamu daw. Adam's apple, slide down. Okay? Again, unsa itong tulong ng criteria when to start CPR? First is unconscious. Second, non-breathing. Third is no pulse. Very good.